In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move files from Google Drive to OneDrive, 5 minutes. We'll use the simplest method, download from Google Drive to your computer, then upload to OneDrive. Before you begin, sign in to both accounts in a web browser, make sure you have enough OneDrive storage for the files you're moving, and keep a stable internet connection so transfers don't pause. Start by opening Google Drive. Once you're in, find the files you want to move. Click a single file to select it, or hold Shift or Control on Windows or Shift or Command on Mac to select multiple items at once. You can select individual files or entire folders. It helps to glance at the file sizes so you have a sense of how long the download will take. Note that native Google files like Docs, Sheets, and Slides will be converted to Microsoft formats when downloaded. With your items selected, download them to your device. Right-click and choose Download, or use the toolbar menu. If you're downloading more than one item or a whole folder, Google Drive will package everything into a single zip file. Your browser will begin saving the file to your default downloads location, usually the Downloads folder. Keep the tab open and avoid putting your computer to sleep until the download completes. Next, go to OneDrive in your browser and sign in if needed. Navigate to the place where you want these files to live. At the top, select Upload or choose Create and then Upload and pick Files. This opens your computer's file picker. Browse to your Downloads folder and select the files you just saved from Google Drive. If your download is a zip and you're okay storing it as one file, select that zip. If you prefer the individual files to appear in OneDrive, extract the zip on your computer first, then select the extracted files or the folder contents. Start the upload and watch the progress indicator in OneDrive. Large files may take a while, that's normal. Keep the browser tab open and your device awake until everything finishes. When the upload is complete, refresh the page and quickly open a few files to confirm they work as expected. And that's the move done. If you're transferring a very large library, consider doing it in smaller batches for smoother uploads. If you run into storage warnings, free up space, or adjust what you upload. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.